In Alexandria's fading light, by the library's flame, a scholar drew the heavens, and the stars spoke his name. With compass and parchment, with reason and grace, he mapped the turning heavens and gave the earth its place. From Mercury's wonder to Saturn's crown, he bound the cosmos spinning round. And the circle turns, the planets glide, epicycles dancing on the heavens tide. For 1,000 years his word held high, the earth at the center, beneath the sky. He wrote of the music, the spheres in their song, of perfect motions where none could go wrong. The Omega whispered in every line, the logic of order, the shape divine. Through ages of faith, through empires' fall, his cosmos stood, the frame of all. And the circle turns, the planets glide, epicycles dancing on the heavens tide. For 1,000 years his word held high, the earth at the center, beneath the sky. Then shadows stirred and questions came from Tycho's side, from Kepler's flame. Yes, still his stars, though wrongly bound, showed how the human mind is crowned. Still the circle turns as knowledge grows, each truth replaced by what we know.